All right, next up is the At the Part tie front hooded pullover, available in sizes small through 3X. This comes in XL and 1X. I am shown in the small, so a little bit of a relaxed, oversized fit on this one. I really am comfortable in like this oversized fit, but sizing down is an option. I feel like a lot of people will opt to go down a size for a little bit less oversized look, which is totally up to you and doable, I would say. Traditional sweatshirt material, not fleece lined, but it's that baby French terry, so it has a nice weight to it. And then it has this cute grommet lace up front detail, which I love anything that has grommets on it. It's like my favorite. It's been my favorite for like my entire life. For real, I think grommets are so fun.
List of favorites.
Rachel has a lot of favorites. One of my favorite words is favorite. But cute little lace up detail. So again, with this one, you can layer something underneath if you want. It doesn't hit very low, so it's not very revealing, but it's just a really good one. And lengthwise, I would say for sure, I think like it covers my bum fully and the front fully. So if it was a question, can you wear it with leggings? Yes, I do believe so. Little side slits on the side on this one. Great sleeve length on it. And it does have a little bit of a wider banded cuff here. But I mean, it's really cute. I like that because you can kind of pull it down on your hand if you like that. I like that. And a hood, of course. So fabric content is going to be 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I have a feeling that is the contrast of the cuffs, and then 95% 95% cotton, 5% spandex. But yeah, extremely comfortable, cute, solid black, so it's a good one that you can pair with a lot of different things.